Hello and welcome, my friend. As every weekend, we came to analyze for you the Forex market and the opportunities also we saw, and we will enter in them. So if it is the first time of you here, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, we are a special YouTube channel all about trading. We put a weekly video analyzing the Forex market, a monthly video analyzing the stock market, and a monthly video analyzing Bitcoin market. So if you are interested, you can join us and benefit from all those things free, my friend. You don't need to pay nothing. Everything is free. And if you've been someone or subscriber with us for some time, please go down and smash that like button to help us to post that video more. It's not for me, it's for YouTube algorithm. Please go down and smash that like. You done it? Let's continue, my friend. So as every weekend, my friend, before we even start, we go to my browser to analyzing the coming news. So let's go into my browser to analyzing the coming news, my friend. As you see here in my browser, my friend, Monday, 20th of June, what we got, that one of China, and also we don't trade in Chinese. In Tuesday, what we got, 12 o'clock, government of the Aussie speech, 1:30, the meeting of the Bank of the Aussie, 11:50, Bank of Japan monetary policy meeting. That means they are going to vote for the interest rate. And Wednesday, what we got at 6 o'clock, consumer price index or CPI or inflation index of UK. 1:30, Fed Chair Powell testify. In Thursday, what we got at 8 o'clock, we got the PMI of the Euro. And 8:30, we got the PMI of UK. 8:30 or afternoon, the bank stress testify. And all the time here, my friend, is it with GMT time. In Friday, what we got, 11:30, the one of the Aussie. So there is not major news coming this week, my friend. So that's it for the news. Let's go back to my broker to show you what is it coming this week, my friend. Here we came, my friend. So the first pair we got is the EURUSD. And the EURUSD, last week we used to be here in that place. If you remember it, here in that candle exactly. May I take that line here to be, you can see it like that. So from here we said it's going to fall down. It fell down till here. And the people, they follow me in my Telegram channel. By the way, if you are not follow me yet, in our Telegram channel, we give them free signals. When there is an opportunity, we give it to the people there. We told them where to put the target, where to put the stop loss. So if you want to trade with us, you can join us in our Telegram. Everything is free. You don't need to pay nothing. You're going to find the link of our Telegram in the first comment, as you see it now, with our highly recommended course. By the way, the course is in Udemy. The course is more than 7 hours. It's going to teach you everything you want about trading. Plus, if you go under our link, you're going to get an 85% discount. So it's a very good deal. The course, it costs $200. If you're using that coupon, you're going to pay only $13. I think it's a very good deal. By the way, it's up to you. Let's go back to our topic. I tell the people they follow me to enter long from here. And we put stop loss down here. And as you see, it came till here. In that line here, we take 50%. And the stop loss of us, it stay here. So us here, even if it fall down now and hitting the stop, we are not going to lose nothing. If it go up, we are still winning. And my view to it, it will go up till here. It need to touch the top of that triangle as you see it, my friend. Everything is too clear. So the levels we got, my friend. First level here, 1.07974. Another level here, 1.06639. Another level here, 1.05725. Another level here, 1.04585. And the last level here, 1.03538. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see, my friend, we got here a divergence. Actually, it's very clear like that. And that way also we enter. And last week we used to be here, if you remember it. Now we touch here, we take 50%. My view to it, maybe it is going to come down till here. Then from here it will go up, or maybe where it is now, it will not fall down. From here it will go upward again. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. So the other pair we got, my friend, is the cable or British pound USD. That one last week used to be here in that place exactly. What did we said? We said it's going to fall down. Actually, also we said only to here because here we got that level. But what happened? It fell down till it touching the down of that channel. As you see it, that channel, it's been here for long. When it touch it, it go upward till here. And I tell it to the people they follow me exactly from that level. But I told them you can enter in the EURUSD, the British pound, or the Aussie, because all of them, they are correlated to each other. So also we choose to enter in the EURUSD because it's more volatile pair than the others. So everything is too clear. Then from here, fall down till here. Then now my view to it, it needs to go upward till it touching the up of that channel, my friend. Everything is too clear. The picture is very easy, my friend. If you don't understand something, just write it in a comment. And we will reply you as soon as possible, my friend. Levels we got, my friend. First level here, 1.26494. Another level here, 1.24759. Another level here, 1.22665. Another level here, 1.21808. And the last level here, 1.19614. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. So, let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Also, we used to be here. I told you it's going to fall down, if you remember it here, last week. Then it came till here. My view to it, maybe it's going to fall down again till here to touch the oversold area. Then from there it will go upward. Or it have to come down from here, it will go upward, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. So that's it for the cable, my friend. The other pair we got is the Aussie, my friend. The Aussie last week used to be here exactly in that level. Me, I told it's going to make a correction. Then from there it's going to fall down. But it doesn't follow it. It doesn't make any correction. From here it fall down till here. Till that level. As you remember it. Then from here, as you see it, it went up till here. Then from there, it make a correction. And me, I tell the people to buy from here. My view to it this week, from here, it will go upward till here. Till that level here. Then from there, it's going to fall down again. Everything is too clear. You get the picture. Levels we got, my friend. First level, 0.72437. Another level here, 0.71837. Another level here, 0.71011. Another level here, 0.70078. Another level here, 0.69129. And the last level here, 0.68563, my friend. Everything is too clear, you get the picture. So, let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Last week we used to be here. I told you it's going to make a correction like that, and that's what it did exactly. I told you it's going to go upward. It went till the trend line, the one before even all those things happen in the RSI. Went here. I told you from here it need to fall down. Now it's falling. My view to it will fall down more till it will touch in the oversold area. Then from there, the going up, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture now. So, my friend, the other pair we got is USD Japanese yen, my friend. That one last week we used to be here. I told you it need to fall down to touch the down of that channel. It fell down till here, till that level as you see it where it is now, of 131.754. Then from there it went up till here again. My view to it, it will go upward again to touch the upper of that channel. Then from there it will drop again, my friend. Everything is too clear, you get the picture. So, the levels we got, my friend. First level, 136.236. Another level here, 133.792. Another level here, 131.754. And the last level here, 130.110. Everything is too clear, you get the picture. So, let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. In the RSI is more clear. Last week we used to be here. I told you me is going to fall down till here, that without even to see the future, fall down exactly till here, as you see it, my friend. Fall down here. Then from here, my view trade, it will continue till touching here the overbought area. Then from there, it will fall down again. So also will enter from here short, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture. So that's it for USD Japanese yen, my friend. The other pair we got is the gold, my friend. Gold last week used to be here. Told you it's going to go up or tail here. And that's what it did. Then also we take 50% stop loss to be in here. Fall down. It's hitting for us that stop. People, they follow me in my Telegram channel. We enter from that level, my friend. Stop loss, we put it here. Over here, we put the first target. Here the second. Here the third. And we go in more. And now, till now, we are in profit in the gold. My view trade, it will come back down to the place where we enter. Then from there, it will go upward, my friend. The gold is the only safe haven, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture. Levels we got, my friend. First level here, 1992.95. Another level here, 1932.59. Another level here, 1903.47. Another level here, 1873.65. Another level here, 1844.62. Another level here, 1820.25. And the last level here, 1796.83, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture, my friend. So, let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Last week we used to be here. I told you it's going to go up or tail here. It went. Then from there it fell down tail here. Now it's touching here as you see it now. Here exactly. A view trade is going to fall down tail here. Or maybe it will not fall down. Maybe from here it will go up or to touch that green line we have here, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture. So that's it for the gold, my friend. The other pair we got is Dragon or British Pound Japanese Yen. That one last week we used to be here. I told you it's going to fall down till here. It fell down till that level. As you see it here. It was very close to hitting our target. Then from there, it went up till here. So my view to it, my friend, from this level here, it will continue till here upward, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture. Levels we got, my friend. First level here, 167.876. Another level here, 164.679. Another level here, 161.870. And that one here, 159.863. Everything is too clear. You get the picture, my friend. If you don't understand something, you can ask us down in a comment. If you want our free signals, you can join us in Telegram or Facebook group. If you want our highly recommended course, you're going to get down a 85% couple length. The course is going to cost you only $13. And believe me, that course is better than millions of courses you're going to buy online. They cost them $1,000 and $2,000. Information in that course is better than those millions fake gurus they selling to you high ticket online. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's go in to explain to you about RSI, my friend. So as you see, last week we used to be here. We told it's going to fall down till here, fall down exactly till where we accepted. Then from there, it went up till here. Our view trade, it will continue going up till the overbought area, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture, my friend. So that's it for this week. Maybe we're going to put for you in the middle of this week a video analyzing for you the Bitcoin, because a lot of people, they getting scared those days. They saw the Bitcoin is falling, so they don't know what to do. So we said let's put in for you a video in the middle of this week to tell you what's going on with the market. So see you in the middle of this week, my friend. Bye for now.